Why does it seem that as we age, we just keep packing on the pounds despite our best efforts? It's a question that has puzzled many of us as we blow out one more candle on the cake each year. The answer lies in the intricate dance of biological changes that occur as we age, which can make it increasingly challenging to maintain our weight. Firstly, let's talk about metabolism. This is the process by which our bodies convert what we eat and drink into energy. As we age, our metabolism naturally slows down. This means that even if you're eating and exercising exactly the same way you did when you were 25, you're likely to gain weight because your body is burning fewer calories. Next, there are hormonal changes to consider. For ladies, menopause can be a significant game changer. The drop in estrogen levels often leads to weight gain, especially around the abdomen. For men, testosterone levels decrease with age, which can lead to increased body fat and decreased lean body mass. Lastly, lifestyle shifts can also play a significant role. As we get older, we may become less physically active for a variety of reasons: career demands, family responsibilities, or health issues. Less physical activity means fewer calories burned, and before you know it, those extra pounds have snuck up on you. Now, this might sound a little disheartening, but it's important to remember that understanding these factors is the first step towards tackling them. Yes, age can make weight loss more challenging, but it's definitely not an insurmountable hurdle. The fact that you're here, seeking knowledge and ready to take action, is a testament to your determination. And guess what? You're more powerful than you think. You have the ability to counteract these effects. You can adjust your diet, you can find physical activities that you enjoy and fit into your life, and you can manage your stress levels to keep those hormones in check. So, don't despair. You have the power to counteract these effects. Let's dive into the top 7 belly fat burning hacks for 2024 that are proven to work. Ever wondered which diets really work when it comes to weight loss? Let's dive into the most effective diets for shedding those extra pounds, all backed by scientific research. First up is the Mediterranean diet, a dietary pattern inspired by the eating habits of the Mediterranean region. This diet emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, olive oil, and lean proteins. Research indicates that it's not just great for weight loss, but it also promotes heart health and may even boost longevity. Next on the list is low-carb diets, such as the keto and Atkins diets. These diets limit your carbohydrate intake, forcing your body to burn fat for fuel instead. Studies have shown that low-carb diets are particularly effective at reducing belly fat and improving metabolic health. Let's not forget about intermittent fasting, a dieting pattern that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. It's less about what you eat and more about when you eat. Research has shown that intermittent fasting can lead to significant weight loss, improve metabolic health, and even extend lifespan. But here's the thing, folks. While these diets have proven to be effective, it's crucial to remember that everyone is unique. What works for one person may not work for another. It's all about finding a diet that aligns with your lifestyle, your preferences, and your body's specific needs. Think about what you can realistically stick with in the long run. Can you see yourself eating the Mediterranean way for years to come? Or perhaps you prefer the flexibility of intermittent fasting. Maybe a low-carb diet feels more sustainable to you. The most successful weight loss journeys are those that transform into lifelong commitments. It's not about quick fixes or temporary solutions, it's about making lasting changes in the way you eat and live. So experiment with these diets, listen to your body, and find what works best for you. With patience and perseverance, you'll find your path to sustainable weight loss. Remember, the best diet is the one you can stick to. Did you know your sleep pattern might be sabotaging your weight loss efforts? It's a striking thought, isn't it? But there's compelling science behind this idea. Consider this. When we don't get enough sleep, our bodies undergo several changes that can lead to weight gain. One of the most significant of these changes is the effect on our hunger hormones, leptin and ghrelin. Leptin is responsible for signaling to our brain that we're full, while ghrelin stimulates our appetite. When we're sleep-deprived, our leptin levels drop, and our ghrelin levels rise. The result? We feel hungrier and tend to eat more. But it's not just about eating more. When we're tired, we often crave high-calorie, high-sugar foods for a quick energy boost. This can lead to a vicious cycle of overeating, poor sleep, and more weight gain. Furthermore, lack of sleep can also disrupt our insulin sensitivity, making it harder for our bodies to process sugar. This can lead to increased fat storage and, you guessed it, more weight gain. Now, it's not just about the quantity of sleep, but also the quality. Deep, restful sleep is crucial for various bodily functions, including the regulation of our metabolism. Poor quality sleep can disrupt these processes, leading to, yes, further weight gain. So, what's the solution? Prioritize sleep. Try to get between 7 and 9 hours of sleep each night, as recommended by health experts. Establish a regular sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and make your sleep environment as comfortable as possible. Limit exposure to electronic devices before bed, as the blue light emitted can disrupt your sleep cycle. And remember, it's not just about losing weight. Quality sleep is essential for our overall health and well-being. In conclusion, sleep is a critical, often overlooked component of weight management. It's not just about what you eat or how much you exercise. Sleep plays a pivotal role in regulating your hunger hormones and maintaining your metabolism. So remember, a good night's sleep is just as important as regular exercise and a healthy diet. What if we told you that your brain health is crucial for weight loss? That's right, the key to weight management could be in your mind. It's been found that the interplay between our brain and body plays a significant role in our eating habits and overall weight. Stress and mental health, for instance, directly impact our eating patterns. When we're stressed, our brain triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that makes us crave sugary, fatty foods. It's our body's way of seeking a quick energy boost. This is often referred to as stress eating or emotional eating. Over time, this can lead to weight gain and even obesity. Moreover, conditions like depression and anxiety can also affect our weight. These mental health issues can lead to a lack of motivation to maintain a healthy diet or to engage in regular physical activity, which can, in turn, contribute to weight gain. So, how can we improve our brain health and, consequently, our weight management? One of the most effective ways is through meditation and mindfulness. These practices help reduce stress and enhance our emotional well-being. They enable us to be more present and aware of our eating habits, helping us make healthier choices and avoid overeating. Another effective method is getting regular exercise. Physical activity not only helps burn calories, but also releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones. These endorphins help reduce stress and anxiety, improving our mental health and making us less likely to reach for those unhealthy snacks. We should also not underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for our brain to function optimally. When we're well rested, we're better able to resist unhealthy food cravings and make healthier dietary choices. In conclusion, maintaining a healthy brain is not just important for our mental well-being, but it's also a crucial part of successful weight management. So, remember to take care of your mind and your body will thank you. After all, a healthy brain leads to a healthy body. What if you could become superhuman and strip fat off your body without spending a dime? Let's delve into a world where this isn't just a hypothetical question. Welcome to the era of free tools and resources that can help you achieve your fitness goals. Imagine having a personal trainer right in your pocket, guiding and motivating you every step of the way. That's what workout apps do. They're like your fitness companion, offering a plethora of workouts that you can do right at home. Whether it's high-intensity interval training, yoga, or strength training, these apps have got you covered. They're easy to use with customizable workout plans that suit your fitness level and goals. Some even offer nutrition advice, helping you fuel your body the right way. But what if you crave a sense of community? A place where you can share your fitness journey, get advice, and cheer on others. Online fitness communities are your answer. They're a hub of like-minded individuals striving to become healthier versions of themselves. Here you can find support, motivation, and even a bit of healthy competition. You can share your progress, discuss challenges, and learn from the experiences of others. It's like having a whole team rooting for your success. Now let's talk about fitness YouTube channels. They're like having a virtual gym, with a variety of instructors teaching everything from Pilates to kickboxing. You can learn new exercises, perfect your form, and even participate in workout challenges. The best part? You can do it all at your own pace, in the comfort of your own home. These free tools are democratizing fitness, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their budget. They're helping break down the barriers that often stand in the way of achieving our fitness goals. So, next time you think about your fitness journey, remember this. You don't need a gym membership to become a superhuman. The world of fitness is at your fingertips, and it doesn't cost a thing. Harness the power of these tools and embark on your journey to become the best version of yourself. Is it true that exercise doesn't help weight loss? This is a question that seems to pop up quite often in fitness discussions. Well, it's high time we debunk this myth and set the record straight. Many people hold the belief that exercise doesn't contribute to weight loss, primarily because they've heard that diet plays a more significant role. And while it's true that what you eat can have a more substantial impact on your weight than how much you move, this doesn't mean exercise is any less important. Let's consider a scenario. Imagine you're trying to lose weight and decide to cut your calorie intake by 500 calories a day. In a week, you'd potentially lose around 1 pound. Now, imagine if you added an hour of moderate exercise to your daily routine. This could burn an additional 300 to 400 calories per day. Over a week, this could lead to an extra half to 1 pound of weight loss. Exercise isn't just about burning calories though. Regular physical activity helps to build muscle mass. Muscle burns more calories at rest than fat, which means the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn throughout the day, even when you're not exercising. Moreover, exercise is crucial for overall health. It reduces the risk of many chronic diseases, enhances mood and mental health, and can even help you sleep better. All these benefits can indirectly contribute to weight loss and make it easier to maintain your weight once you've reached your goal. So while diet may play a larger role in weight loss, dismissing exercise is a mistake. It's not an either-or situation. Instead, think of diet and exercise as two sides of the same coin. You need both for effective, sustainable weight loss and overall health. Remember, diet gets you to the goalpost, but exercise gets you over the line. Don't underestimate the power of a good sweat session. Keep moving, keep pushing, and you'll see the results you're striving for. Is stress making us fatter? This is a question that's been on the minds of many, and the answer, unfortunately, is yes. Stress, that invisible monster that lurks in the corners of our daily lives, is indeed a significant contributor to weight gain. But how does this happen? When we're stressed, our bodies go into survival mode, releasing hormones like cortisol. This hormone not only fuels our fight-or-flight response, but it also triggers cravings for high-sugar, high-fat foods, the kind that provides us with instant energy. Remember that last time you reached for a chocolate bar after a tough day? That's cortisol at work. But stress doesn't stop at messing with our eating habits. It also disrupts our sleep. When we're stressed, our minds are often racing with thoughts and worries, making it difficult to fall asleep. Lack of sleep then further intensifies cravings for unhealthy foods, creating a vicious cycle of stress, disrupted sleep, and weight gain. But don't despair just yet. There are ways to break this cycle and manage stress. Yoga, for example, has been proven to reduce stress levels. It combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation, all of which can help calm the mind and reduce cortisol levels. Deep breathing exercises are another effective stress buster. When we're stressed, our breathing becomes shallow and rapid. By consciously slowing down and deepening our breaths, we can trigger a relaxation response, reducing the production of stress hormones. And let's not forget the importance of a positive support network. Spending time with loved ones, sharing laughs, and even hugs can release oxytocin, a hormone that counteracts the effects of stress. So yes, stress can lead to weight gain. But by incorporating stress management techniques like yoga, deep breathing exercises, and maintaining a positive support network, we can keep those stress levels in check. Managing stress is key to managing weight. Remember, a healthy mind leads to a healthy body. So let's commit to reducing stress not just for our waistlines but for our overall well-being. Now for a little inspiration from the Diary of a CEO. One of my favorite moments is when the CEO shared about his personal weight loss journey. He was not always the picture of health we see today. There was a time when he struggled with weight gain and an unhealthy lifestyle. But he took control and turned his life around. He started incorporating healthier choices into his daily routine, practiced mindfulness, and dedicated time for physical activities. He reminded us that change doesn't happen overnight. It's a process filled with ups and downs. His story is a testament to the fact that achieving a healthy body isn't just about following diets or workout regimes. It's about a lifestyle change. It's about balance. It's about dedication and persistence. Let his journey inspire yours. Remember, the journey to a healthier you is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay motivated, stay inspired, and most importantly, stay healthy.